Good day there, ladies and gentlemen. What we have here is a grandfather clock constructed in 1996 by my grandparents. The movement is a Kieninger freak train, triple chime with Westminster, St. Michael's, and Whittington chimes. This video is going to showcase all three chimes. Quarter chime. Half-hour chime. Switching to St. Michael's. Quarter two chime. Whittington chime. Hour chime. And that is it. Please keep an eye out for more videos and feel free to leave a comment on the channel or the video. And feel free to visit my other channel, which is called the Starfy channel. Thank you and have a lovely day.